Hello and welcome to the Blackboard Bookmark Bar tutorial. Here you see I am on our Blackboard homepage, and this semester we are taking 4 classes, and within each class we have homework. Let's see what we have for homework in our software engineering class. This is our assignment page with a PDF for our homework. Now let's see what we have for homework in another class. Let's check analysis of algorithms. Here is another assignment page for our analysis of algorithms class. Now that I'm here, I want to quickly go back to my software engineering assignment. Unfortunately, I have to go all the way back to our home page and then go into our software engineering class. Our bookmark system eliminates this hassle. If I go back to our class page, I can click this ribbon here to bookmark our link. Left-clicking activates an edit box. From here, I can create a name for the bookmark. Let's call it Software Engineering Assignment. Then click Done, and it will appear on our bookmark bar, and the icon is turned yellow. Clicking this link brings me directly to our homework. Say we don't want to bookmark this assignment anymore. If we go up to our bookmark bar, right-click on the bookmark, and click Remove, it is no longer there. What if I have multiple assignments that I want to bookmark? I can create a bookmark folder to host those links. Let's navigate to our Algorithms page. I want to store an Algorithms assignment and a Software Engineering assignment to a folder. First, we left-click on the ribbon icon and we can type the name of the folder. Let's call it Algorithms and Software Engineering. Clicking Add New Folder will add it to the bar. Clicking it does nothing since it's a folder and there are no links inside of it yet. Also notice the link on the assignment has not turned yellow. Now let's add the assignment. Click the icon, change the name, let's call it Algorithms Assignment, and select the Algorithms and Software Engineering folder. Clicking Done adds it to the folder. Notice it's not on the bar. If we click the folder, a drop-down appears and our Algorithms assignment is there. Now let's add Software Engineering. If we go into our Software Engineering class, this is the assignment that we wish to add to our folder. Left-click on the bookmark icon, name the assignment, select the correct folder, and click Done. Again, the assignment has not appeared on the bar and the icon is turned yellow. If you now click the folder, both the Algorithms assignment and the Software Engineering assignment have appeared. Let's try it out. Let's go to our Algorithms homework. Now let's go to our Software Engineering homework. To remove a folder is the same way you remove a bookmark. Move your cursor over the folder, right-click, click Remove, and the folder is no longer there. Thank you for watching, and you are now a Blackboard Bookmark Bar Pro.